To edit the user settings, the first thing you need to do is to download an extension called Odoo Debug. You can search if you can add it to your browser. If you can't, then you need to download Google Chrome. After that, go to Odoo Debug for Google Chrome. Then you will see here add or download. I already have it. When you add it, you will see it here in your browser. If the monkey's eyes are closed, that means it's off, and if they're open, it's on. So go to here, settings, then users and companies, then users. You'll see the list of users here. You can search for the name of the users. Here you will see a few settings, but because the monkey's eyes are closed, if you click on it, it will open its eyes and you will see more settings. Here you will find technical settings that these are new. You won't find them if the monkey's eyes are closed. So what you need to do is click on edit and edit the settings if this user depends on their department. So how do you know the department of this user? Copy their name and then open a new tab, employees. Then go to volunteers. Don't search for the user in the employees. Go to volunteers. Then paste their name here. You will find their name here. If you don't, like this case, that means because they are new, we didn't create them as volunteers. So what you need to do is to go to the recruitment section, then applications, all applications. Here you will see the application of all the users. Remove this pending applications. Search the name here and look for, here you'll see number 1. That means there's one result in this section. So click on these arrows and you'll see. You can see the job position from the outside. If you're not sure the department of this job position, you can click on the application and scroll down and you see the department. This person is an administration department, so you will have this spreadsheet. Go to administration department. To make it easier for you, just highlight the row and scroll from left to right. So the first section here is called application accesses. So go back to the user, scroll down. Here you'll see the first section is multi-companies, so it's not there in the spreadsheet. That means you don't need to touch it. Scroll down, this is application accesses, and edit depends on the result of this department. So here it says manager for managers only, or user for or other users. This person, from their application, they are not manager, they're customer support. So you will choose user for this section. It's called QMS documents. So go to QMS documents and choose user. And you'll do that for each section. depends on the department and the job position, if they are users or not. Here you'll find the other section called School Management. You'll scroll down. Technical settings is not in the spreadsheet, that means you don't touch it. Scroll down to School Management. It says here that check for everyone for School Administrator. So School Administrator, you need to check it. Then School Transportation, you need to check Transport Manager. Here, Transport Managers, and so on. For the other sections, if it's not there, that means you leave it, like other extra rights is not in the spreadsheet, that means you don't have to do it. So if the options here are not in the spreadsheet, that means you leave it empty. Like for example, portal is not in the spreadsheet, so you need to uncheck it. And it's important that the portal thing is unchecked. It causes a lot of problems if you check it. And these extra rights are not in the spreadsheet too, so you need to uncheck it. Sometimes if you save and go back here, you'll see that multi-currencies and multi-companies are checked, even though you removed it. That's okay, you can leave them. But the rest need to be empty. And that's it.